fun hunt. We make educational videos just for you that are fun and exciting. Hope you enjoy this amazing adventure and don't forget to subscribe. One thing that this nasty bug, COVID-19, has taught us is to find ways to occupy our time. Here are a few things that I'd like to share with you. Now I'm going to draw. I'm going to be drawing a face. See, I'm done. And here you have it. Feeling artistic today. Now I'm gonna make music with this cup. Weird, right? Enjoy. And when I'm gone, and when I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. Gonna miss me by my hair, gonna miss me everywhere. When I'm gone. Do you like it? Now let's work on another part of our brain. Let's play Marble Run, Holly. This is how it will look like in the end. Now let's start making it. We are done! Now we have to test it out. But before that, we have to put these so the marbles don't go everywhere. Put it here, here, and let's put this in. Yay! Success! And go! Now let's add a long 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's put it in.